There are a lot of variables involved in the cost of window replacement. Again, we talked about there's two different types of replacement windows. There's a pocket install, and then there's the new construction. And then we have different brands and qualities of windows. On the low end, on the highest quality, best price window, you're gonna be around $700 an opening installed. But on the high end, you could be up to, the $1,200, $1,300, $1,400, depending on the colors you choose, depending on the type of replacement that it is. If you have wood grain interior, are they painted on the exterior to match existing windows in your house? So there's a lot of different variables that are involved in the actual cost. But if you wanted to go with the highest quality, most economic, highest energy efficient rated window, you're going to be around that $700 an opening.